Hello, welcome. Let's continue our tutorial on GCSE Pearson Edexcel Mathematics. Question number 22. We have to find the coordinate of the turning point on the curve with an equation y equals to 9 plus 18x minus 3x squared. You must show all your working. So we have two ways of finding the turning point. First, we find the line of symmetry, the equation of the line of symmetry. Then we substitute. Or we can then use the completing the square method to arrive at the answer. I will try and see if I can use the two method in 5 minutes. Then if not, then it will be in a different episode. So let's see. First of all, we have equation of the line of symmetry, right? Is given by x equals to minus b divided by 2a. After we compare, this can be rewritten making y to be 0. So I'll be having all of these coming forward to be have minus 3x squared plus 18x plus 9x equals to 0. We compare that with the general equation of general quadratic equation. Okay. So you can see that your a is going to be your minus 3. Your b is going to be 18. Your c is going to be 9. So comparing that, your equation of line of symmetry is going to be minus b. Where is b? B is the term in front of x, which is 18. So minus 18 divided by 2 times a. The a is the negative 3. So I'll be having negative 18, 3 to 6. So negative 6. That gives us 3. So the equation of the line of symmetry at the turning point where the curve will be turning to form the line of symmetry will be 3. Then we need to find the x counterpart to find the vertex. So that will be, we substitute x equals to 3 into the original equation. Where is it? This. So which is the same as this. To find the value of y, I can write it the whole of this as y equals to 9 plus 18x, which is 3, minus 3, which is already in the question. Then your x, which is also 3, all squared. What can we do from here? 9 plus, this will be 30, 50, okay, 54. Then this is going to be 9. 9 times 3, 27. If you subtract this from this, you get 27. 27 plus 9 will give us what? 36. So the coordinate of the turning point, we are going to have the x value, which will be 3. We are going to have the y value, which will be what? 36. So that will be the equation of the turning. If you want to use the completing the square method, we are going to write, let's pick it from here, this. We are picking this, whereby I'll be having the minus 3 is the coefficient. We always try to make the coefficient of x squared to be unit. So let's put the minus 3 out to have our x squared. When you divide this by negative 3, you have negative 6x. Then this is going to be minus 3, all equals to 0. Why are we doing so? When we take a negative 3 to multiply this, you get the original. Negative 3 times negative 6, positive 18. Negative 3 times negative 3. That will also give us a positive 9 from the original point. Now, we are going to concentrate in the bracket. What are we going to do? We are going to find half of the middle term and square it. Half of negative 6 will be negative 3. The square of that, meaning My minus 3 will stay in there. I'll have my x squared minus 6x plus negative 3 all squared. Then this is going to be minus 3 minus negative 3 all squared equals to 0. Let me explain. You could have also sent the minus 3 to the back of the equal sign. But because I am putting all together to multiply by the negative 3, so I am maintaining all at the left. So what should I do? As I end here, I have added a foreign material. This is plus this. So I have to subtract that foreign material. So this minus is taking away the minus 3 squared that we've added in the beginning. If it were to be this is at the other side, I'll be adding this to both sides, which is the same as subtracting it from both sides. Alright, so what do we do? The first 3 terms form what we call a perfect square. So this is going to be minus 3 outside x minus 3. This minus 3 all square. Minus 3 plus. Right here I'll be having positive 9. That's minus 3 squared, positive 9 here. So it will be negative. Let's have the negative there. This negative is coming. This will become what? 9. I guess you see why the negative will be there. I am repeating this negative 3, negative bracket. And the bracket inside will be positive 9. So I have that. So now, we are going to compute this. So let's maintain our minus 3 in here. The space is clear. Okay. So we have our x minus 3 all square minus 3 minus 9 will be minus 12. All equals to 0. So we are at the later part of it. But let's expand to remove the minus 3 out from the bracket on all the 2 terms and see what will happen. So if you expand, it will become minus 3x minus 3 all squared minus 3 times negative 12 will be positive 36 equals to 0. Now, we know that we have ax minus, let me use h squared plus k equals to 0. If you compare the turning point or the coordinate is given by h, k. You see the negative is ignored. So you're picking the h, k. We are seeing the same thing. A is here. We are not interested in the a. The x is the same. So here, the turning point the coordinate of the turning point, because I wrote the coordinates, so I want to use different phrase. So the turning point is going to be the x point, then the k here will give us what? 36. Just like we have here, 3, 36, 3, 36. So either you use the line of symmetry equation to arrive at the answer, or we use the completing the square method. And I'm sure both methods are understood by you. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.